This is the Stream Carbon, a new turntable from Victrola that streams to all of your Sonos speakers. It's easy to use. It looks good. So we have analog and digital coming together to fill your space with music from your record collection. It should be the best of both worlds. Let's see if it is. Hi, my name is Eric. I'm a writer here at Crutchfield, and today I'm going to talk to you about the Victrola Stream Carbon turntable. There's a very nice out-of-the-box experience with this turntable. When you first open up the box, the first thing you see is a QR code, and that's what you're going to use to download the Victrola app. And mainly what that app does is just get the turntable ready to interface with the rest of your Sonos system. And you can set it up very quickly and easily. As you can see, it's pretty much already assembled. There's some things about the build quality of this turntable that I think are noteworthy. That carbon fiber tone arm. We use carbon fiber for tone arms because it's light and rigid. Those are the two qualities you want out of a tone arm. And so that's a nice touch to have on this entry-level turntable that's got the Sonos built in. This turntable also comes with a nice Ortofon 2M red cartridge. It's designed to bring out the full range of music from an album. So of course we care a lot about the fact that this turntable sounds good, but I feel like Victrola also made a point of making it look good. It's a very sleek finish. It has a black plinth with a kind of a brushed steel or aluminum front plate. It's a very elegant look, and I really enjoyed the way it looked in my listening room alongside my other components. And it's also got this wonderful feature of being a semi-automatic turntable, so that when you go to put on a record and you lift the tone arm and move it over to the record, it's going to start spinning automatically. And then when it reaches the end of a side and you're on the lead out groove, instead of it just kind of sitting there making that crackling and bumping noise, it's going to go ahead and stop, so that if you're in the middle of something, it's just going to stop and you won't have to go in and run in and take care of it. Now, the primary benefit of this turntable is the built-in Sonos, but if you have a two-channel listening system set up and you want to use the built-in phono preamp, then you can do that. So if you have an existing Sonos system and you've been interested in getting into vinyl, which is certainly experiencing a resurgence, but you're a little bit intimidated by the notion of doing all of the setup that's required from a traditional turntable, this is your answer. This turntable is designed for someone who is not super experienced with setting up a turntable. It's ready to go pretty much out of the box, and it integrates with your existing Sonos system very easily. So that's where I would aim if you're somebody who really wants to get into vinyl, but you've kind of been hesitating because you're not sure that you're up for all of the setup. This will take care of that for you. So if you have any questions about the Victrola Stream Carbon or your Sonos system in general, don't hesitate to contact us. Thanks for watching.